with another unboxing for you. And you may see that my camera is turned a different way. Well, that's because the box is kind of big. So for you guys to see better what models are in it, I had to turn my camera around. So, and I have this light just to help me a bit. But I'm gonna open it and we are gonna see what we are getting inside. So, this, here we just have the list of the models. Of course, you got a lot of this stuff. Oh, we have the first model here. Nice. So here we have the first one. You can't really see it that well, so I don't know if I can maybe put a little more light in. There. Maybe I can turn this up. Here you go. I'm thinking about taking him out of his plastic, but I will do that probably just later. So, oh, we have another one. Here we have another Via model, and this is Lancelot. As you can see. I think push the camera a bit. Okay. Here we have another one who is wrapped up, but also in a plastic. Here we have another one. This is actually the bay version of Lancelot. But you can't see it that well because of the plastic, so. Now we have here a Papo Knight. Old Papo Knight. We can actually take him out, which is just as nice. He's a little dusty, but that's okay. So here he is. And he can rear and stuff like that, so this is him. Next we have more stuff like this. Something here. This is the little unicorn from Slitz. Came this year, the Mandala unicorn fall, as you can see. Little cute one. And we have here, ooh, the Safari Wolf Dragon. Oh, I have been excited for this one. I will not unpack him now. I will do a review of him later. So here we have this guy, or I can maybe unbox it. Oh. If there's one thing I learned is that plastic ruins scissors. So yeah, just take him out. Ooh, check him out, guys. See this beautiful creature. Now this is a 2021 model from Safari Ltd. So I'm happy with that. Looks actually kind of nice. So here we have another Papo horse in this spot over here. And he apparently has a stamp on him. Here we have him. Oh, there's a box here. He's a pretty one. And next we have another knight. Now I just bought the knight. I did not get the people that come with them. I only got the horses. That's one thing I love about Papo. You don't have to get the humans to get the horse. Can you stand? Yep, he can. So here we have him. This is King William's horse. Beautiful model. Next you have the rear up cop from them. Also from Papo. Here we have this guy. Beautiful model. Beautiful horse. Okay. Next, I'm going to take this out. We are going to take the Mandala Mare. Slitz unicorn mare. Here we have her. Not out of the box, as you can see. New in box and everything. Pretty model. Then we have the Spanish Mustang. I think he is supposed to be a Spanish Mustang. And he's not as plasticky as I thought he would be, but here he is. Beautiful specimen this guy is. I thought it would be a little bit bigger, but I guess I was wrong. Of course he has the dorsal stripe down, and I love his face. His face is kind of different from other Slitz horses. I don't know if it's want to zoom in, so my camera is probably all fucked up. Here we have another couple. This is actually the Gypsy Manor mare, or Irish Cub mare. She's actually really pretty, this one. I also think I have the foal with them. Can't remember. Let's see. So, what more do we have? Oh yeah, we have the Pure Rasta mare from Slitz. Dusty as well. Oh, everything is dusty. Oh, I never noticed he has a little ribbon in here. Oh, she has a mark here, a black spot. Can you see on your face here? Doesn't wanna zoom in. So yeah, okay. But here we have the mare. Beautiful mare. So she has a beauty spot. I'm not totally crazy, so. Ooh, and the stallion. Oh my god, he is absolutely gorgeous. He might be one of my favorite this year. I gotta say, his pictures on the internet do not do him justice. At all. Here we have the reared white horse from Papo. I have no idea what their names are. They are just called, I think, reared up horses or something. Here we have him. He's all white. I actually love how his head is tilted to the side. So we have him. Next up we have another knight from Papo. That looks like the same one we just got, but it's a bit different, isn't he? No, it's the same one. Oh well, who cares? Here we have him. It's the same horse, just different color and different armor, which is kind of okay. Alright, now we have another Papo horse. A lot of Papo horses. Here we have the 2020, I think. Yep, this is the 2020 Irish Cup. Pretty model. You can, seems to me, oh, it's a mare. Ooh, look at her eyes. Pretty. I can't wait to review them for you guys. Then we have all the little foal. When you get the family, you have to get the foal. It's not just enough to get the stallion and the mare. You have to get the little baby as well. Here he is, little cute baby. Alright, this one is too adorable. Oh, he is such a cutie. He's small and cute. Okay, let's just take this guy. Here we have the Mandala, something unicorn from Slitz. Or is this the unicorn or the stallion or the mare? I think this is the stallion. Yeah, this is the stallion, even though he doesn't have any genitals under him. So here we have him. And of course, this is the new fantasy family from them. So here we have him. He's pretty. Alright, we have 3 more horses in. Oh, no, this isn't the horse. This is the main wolf from Safari. It came this year. It's a bit bigger than the collector one, or taller, but here he is. Beautiful. Pretty. Love the sculpt on him, and I love the coloring. And as I said, we will do a review of all these models probably tomorrow. We will see. I'm not sure yet. Still have to decide. Also, it depends on what day I'm available to do stuff. Thank you. Here we have the old Safari Mustang mare. She looks a lot different than on the picture. Yeah, maybe it will be nice to take photos of her. Maybe she will do well. She has just marks here I need to clean off. Next we have the other Mustang mare, the bay roam, I think. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Here we have her. Now these two are really, really old. I mean, they are from the year, 2004. So these are old but gold. All right. Next, I have this. It seems just checking to see something else. Now let's take the little box in the big box. Ooh! Here we have the set from the Bayala movie, Lycos, Nukur, and Pew. The probably only set I was okay with, even though they made the wolf look a little bit cartoonish. Kind of ruined its face a bit. But yeah, nothing to do with that. Then we have the Shadow Panther. Ooh, he has a scar on his eye. Look at him. Oh, look at this one. Oh, he's nice. Can't wait to unbox him out. And we have, of course, the Rock Beast. Oh, nice. This guy is absolutely rocking. Woo! He looks amazing. Can't wait to unbox them all, take them out of their packages. So I'm gonna show you guys. Here they are, all of them. So I will do a review of them, like I said. So you guys just have to wait a bit for that to happen, because I have other things. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed, and I will make another video soon, like I said, when I have the time. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing with me, and I hope to see you guys again soon. So just comment down below what model you think is the best of everyone that came out of the box. You can pick 3 models. So comment them down below and just subscribe, like this video, do all that stuff most people do, and just have an amazing week. So I'll see you guys when I make the next video. Bye!